I got you, Stella. What's up, my pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. So today's a more relaxed video. I just want to do more like impromptu videos where I'm just like, wow, if I find some crap that works, we're talking about it. Now, if you guys missed my last video, I did the Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer. Go check that out. Another product where I was like, sorry if that scared you, but go check that video out. I'll link it down below. Again, even that video wasn't even supposed to go up. It was supposed to be something else. And today it was supposed to be something else as well. But again, something is blowing my mind. So let's try to make this short and sweet. It's very hard. I'm a talker. I love to talk. So this morning I had a little friend. If you guys remember Tina has finally, she has gone to another party, thank goodness. And then I had like another little friend. And as you can see, I have some dark spots where they were because your girl just like, you know, I was messing with my face and yada, yada, yada. I know I shouldn't. You shouldn't pop them, all that stuff. Just like let it be. Let them just leave on their own. Now, I will say I'm very blessed where I don't really have problematic areas, problematic skin. If anything, it's just like hyperpigmentation, sunspots, blah, 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 blah. The thing is when I get something that's like a blemish or a pimple and it's kind of extreme, it's very rare for me. So I personally freak out. Long story short, I had to film something for a brand that I do every single season. It's for their employees. So, you know, I need to make sure that my skin looks good and all that stuff. I wasn't gonna film today and I was kind of freaking out because I was like, wow, I really need to get this stuff done though, like now. And then I had a little homie, meet Stella. Stella tried to get her groove back, but I'm not letting her get it. Now, as you can see, I have Stella right here. And if you would have seen what it looked like this morning, you wouldn't even believe me. I feel like I'm a magician right now and almost doing a disappearing act on this. I did a little boo-boo. Just a little one. So right when I saw this, I was like, whoa, no, you cannot be here today. So what did I do? I was like, and with that, it became very swollen, very red, inflamed, and I had a new nostril. I extended my nose on the side and it got so big this morning where I was like, whoa, like I'm not used to this. What do I do? I don't really have like a lot of acne treatments. Like I said, what do I grab? I have nothing. What's happening? And then boop, it popped in my head. Now, whenever I do receive an acne product, which is very, very rare, I hand it over to Glenn because Glenn does suffer from acne every now and then on his face, sometimes on his shoulders, you know, just on his chest from like the gym and stuff like that. I don't really use a lot of acne products like ever. I mean, a lot of products do have salicylic acid, which is great, you know, for acne, but nothing like specifically for a blemish, for a pimple, all of that. I remember Glenn loves this product and I have used it before, but I feel like it doesn't really count when I used it because my little pimple was so tiny, it didn't really matter. It didn't really count. This stuff right here. This is the Origin Super Spot Remover Acne Treatment Gel with Salicylic Acid. This is literally the tiniest little bottle. Here's a little reference. It's like, almost as big as my nose. It's really tiny. How much is this? This is 0.3 fluid ounces. And you're probably like, that will just not last. Glenn's had this for like a really long time and you just kind of like dot it on and all of that, you know. Usually with these types of products, you don't have to put like a ton and slather your face. These are spot treatments. You take a little and you're like, boop. So that's what I did this morning. And I cannot believe how much it shrunk it down where I can film my videos now and I'm good to go. Or say like, if in case you had an emergency and maybe you had like an event or a wedding to attend or it's your birthday and you have a little homie that literally is about to destroy your whole day because you're just like, really? Couldn't you come tomorrow or another day? Right now is not really the time. Kind of like how you feel about your period. You're like, you really had to come now? I can't even believe how small it got because if you would have seen it, the whole side of my nose was so swollen and inflamed and red. It was the largest probably like pimple or whatever you want to call it, like inflammation I've ever had on my face in a super long time. And now look, it doesn't even look red around and it is so tiny. It dried it up like that. Now, I know products like this aren't supposed to just be like a miracle worker where you're like, oh, okay, it's gonna like go away in 30 minutes. I'm telling you, after an hour of wearing this, I looked at my face, I was like, no way. You have no idea how happy I am right now staring at it because it was huge. Couldn't believe how fast it sucked it up and dried it out and took away the redness. Now I was reading reviews and there's so many rave reviews on Sephora. Everybody's saying, oh my gosh, I love it overnight. It's amazing, all this stuff. Even Glenn, he would rave. He's like, damn, like this thing really freaking works. I'm gonna let you know about this little secret in a bottle. Genie in a bottle, baby. Come, what's the lyrics? You know, I'm one of those people where I always F up lyrics. I never know lyrics to songs. Yeah, I'm that girl. I would go get a sample of this. You know, even if they just give you like a little dollop, that dollop is gonna last you probably like 15 times for 15 little friends that want to party. Let me know down below if you guys have ever tried this out. I'm mind blown. I'm mind blown. Also, a little FYI, since it did dry out the area right away, I am going to be putting foundation on top. So what I did was just I kind of just wiped it away with a little bit of toner so I don't have any of the residue from, you know, the spot treatment. FYI, just so it doesn't like get all patchy and weird if you guys are wondering. I was reading reviews and they're saying it works with dark spots. Tina left her little footprint right here and right here. So I have these spots and I wish I would have known when I had, you know, Tina and all of that I would have used this. It's just that I'm someone where I don't really think about acne products all the time. So I didn't use anything. I was just messing with it like, oh, this is fun. An extension. I had an extra nostril. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this out, if it worked for you. I think this thing is amazing. Go read the reviews on Sephora. Everybody's saying it's great. You know, of course, not everything is a miracle worker for every single person, but it has 4 to 5 stars and it's out of 1,005 reviews or so. So I think that's pretty damn good. So let me know down below if you guys like these impromptu videos when I find like miracle products where I'm like, whoa, like blown away. I just want to do these videos, you know what I mean? Because they're like right when it's happening and you can really get my reaction. And I think it's, I don't know, good, right? Also, just to give you a little heads up, next video will be on the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. Everybody was asking about this once I posted up my Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer. So yeah, that video is coming soon so I can show you my results. I applied it different ways and you guys can see what this baby does. Again, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, bonus videos Sundays. It's basically probably gonna be Tuesday, Thursday, Sundays because I plan on uploading 3 times a week anyhow. I love you pineapples so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell so you get notified because if you don't, YouTube won't show my face on the tube anymore. That's just what the deal is. So if you enjoy my videos, click it. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, that's about it. All right, I love you pineapples so much and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one. Mwah.
Here we go. It's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about what we do. Making art, you and me. Trying to find something to believe.